everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Original, and this bag is so adorable. I am loving it. I don't really like the sequins on the back, I'll be honest. It's got some sequins on the back, not my favorite, but I am loving this. It is so cute. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and open this bag. It does have a little B for Betty Boop on it. And we're going to open it up. That's what it looks like. You're seeing it before I am. I'm going to dig out the card right here. This is the theme for this month is hashtag Discover Yourself. The card has all of the products on it. I'm going to sit it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and dig in. We're going to pull this out first. This is the Hemps Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. I'm going to open it up to see what it smells like. I don't know. You know what? I just put lotion on my hands and I can't really smell this very well. But the lotion on my hands, I'm really smelling. So anyway, that is what it looks like. This is the Hemps Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. This lightweight formula gets your skin hydrated and soft and doesn't feel the least bit greasy. It's made with apple fruit extract, which is loaded with vitamin C, to give your skin a radiant glow. Plus, the peach and grapefruit scent smells so light and refreshing, we can't stop sniffing it. I don't smell that. I just don't smell it. But again, I just put lotion on my hands, and that might be why I can't smell it. Tip, take a large dollop of this body cream into the palm of your hand, spread it evenly all over your body, focusing on spots that need a little more TLC like your elbows and knees. I will keep this around. I do use lotion pretty heavily during the winter. My skin gets really, really dry. All right, I'm gonna pull this out next. I'm really excited to get this. So we get a lot of brushes in our boxes, right? I love brushes. I know some folks get like bored with them or they don't like getting all of the brushes that they do. But I'm excited because this is a Sigma brush, y'all. Now, I know Sigma brushes are not like super expensive. They're not like, you know, Wayne Goss or anything crazy like that. But I like Sigma brushes. I have, I think I got an eye set and I got a couple of foundation brushes as well. And I like them. I really do. I think they're good brushes. Anyway, this is the E25 blending brush. Sigma Beauty was founded by a veterinarian / professor and her husband, a civil engineer, to create innovative and revolutionary beauty products. Made with exclusive synthetic antimicrobial fibers, this brush makes it easy to apply any eye look, from subtle to smoky. Tip, dip this brush into your favorite eyeshadow and blend onto your lid in a swirling motion. I just really like Sigma brushes. All right. Going back into the bag, I'm going to pull this item out next because I'm kind of disappointed with this. This is the Benefit They're Real. Not that this is a bad product, but I think I've gotten this several times before in my Ipsys. I don't know, especially recently. I think I might have gotten this, but I think, I'm going to be fair, I think I might have picked this item. Because I think out of the items that I could choose from, I didn't really like any of them. So I think I picked this. But I was disappointed in the selection that we got, if that makes sense. So this is going to go into my giveaway drawer. It just is. All right. The Benefit Cosmetics They're Real Lengthening Mascara in Jet Black. Founded by two sisters in San Francisco, this quirky brand puts the fun back into makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. This multitasking mascara helps curl, separate, lift, and volumize with staggered bristles that grip your lashes close to the root, coating even the teeniest ones. Tip, hold the wand horizontally and swipe through the length of your lashes, then hold it vertically to target your hard to reach hairs. So again, like I said, I think I picked this. So I'm a little disappointed, but I'm not totally disappointed. This is going to go in my giveaway drawer. The only reason why I'm disappointed, to be honest with you, is because I got it already. And I don't think that they had a lot of things that I wanted, if that makes sense. And I knew I could give it away pretty easily to one of you guys and you would be able to enjoy it. All right, back into the bag. Go ahead and pull this out right here. All right, so this is a lipstick. This is part of the Betty Boop and Ipsy collection. I got quite a few of their products this month, and I'm not upset about it. So this is the Betty Boop X Ipsy, and this is the satin lipstick in Mauve It Baby. So there it is right there. It's just a pretty mauve. And I'm not upset about that. All right. Introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. The satin finish mauve lip color is highly pigmented, non-drying, and feels light on your lips. The neutral shade is so versatile. Wear it from work to weekend and any occasion in between. Tip: apply a hydrating lip balm to get your lips nice and smooth, then swipe a coat of lip color onto your lips. Blot lips on a clean tissue, then repeat for a full coverage effect. I'm not upset about that at all. All right, next item, or the last item I should say, is this right here. So this is the Marc Anthony Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. I'm definitely going to try this. I'm about to go to the salon in a couple of weeks. Actually, November 1st is my appointment. And I think I'm going to get like 6 inches cut off because I think it just needs to be done. And I love the length of my hair. In fact, if I could get like maybe 2 more inches, it would be my ideal length for my hair. But it is so damaged, and yeah, I think I'm going to cut 6 inches off. So I'm not upset to get something that supposedly is going to grow your hair. It does have a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to open it right now. I don't think I showed it to you, but that is what it looks like. All right. So this is the Marc Anthony Strengthening Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. That name though. Marc Anthony delivers high-quality products that produce salon-like results at home. This multitasking leave-in conditioner detangles, repairs breakage, and promotes healthy hair growth in one simple step. Tip: apply to your strands from root to end, concentrating on damaged areas. Gently comb through and don't rinse out. For best results, massage the scalp to stimulate healthier hair growth. All right, so let's go back over my Ipsy bag. Number one, the bag is super cute. Not a fan of the sequins, but the bag itself is super cute. I got the hair growth product, which I'm not upset about. I'm interested to give it a try and see if it helps. The body cream, again, not upset about that. The lipstick, which I'm actually really excited about. The brush, which I'm actually really excited about. And then the mascara, which I'm going to give away to you all. Overall, am I happy with this? I think they just raised the price. I don't remember. I had bought an annual subscription for this bag back in February, so I'm still like under that window. But they did just raise the price, I think, to $15. I think so. Anyway, I'm not upset with this bag at all. I do enjoy my Ipsy. I'm really enjoying my Ipsy Original the most, to be honest with you. I have already unboxed my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Ipsy Ultimate. You may have seen those already. You may be seeing them in the next couple of days. I'm not sure the order that I'm putting these up in, but I have unboxed all my Ipsys. They're all coming this week if you haven't seen them already. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you all think of the products that I got, and I would love to hear what you got in your Ipsy bags as well. If you have liked the video, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button. I do appreciate it. Leave me any comments in the comment section down below, and please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!